If the previous partner has a better perceived partner uniqueness, and we talk about this in the reason number one, hastiness, and is a better investment than the rebound relationship, then the person is more likely to return to the ex-partner. This is the exception to the rule. That now it is provided that the ex-partner wants to reconcile. As long as the ex-partner wants to reconcile, then sure, there is a return. The person will always consider the investment made in a previous relationship. The partner who offers better relational needs and overall security will be a better consideration. Therefore, a person may return and marry an ex-partner simply because the person is a better investment. Now, I'm not saying they won't have coping issues, maladaptive coping issues, anxiety, anxiousness. They still might return to a partner that resists reuniting with them, meaning that the partner might still take them back because the partner is the provider. But that doesn't necessarily mean that the partner has really taken them back. The same issues that plagued the relationship in the beginning will continue to cycle. In the same way that a person can marry you legally, it does not necessarily mean that they have married you psychologically.